making this cabinet. We're going to make it 61 inches from the top to the bottom. So there's the line, and there's the line, and there's the line. Now I just got to mark the back, and then I can proceed to cutting. Well, there, you get the idea. Well, there I have the angle iron mocked up all the way around. I have the insides all ground all the way around. I even have the back here ground for the bracket for the shelves. So we're getting there. Well, there it is, welded, grinded. Grinder, welder's best friend. I'm leaving these. I'm not going to grind them. That's where the metal got welded to that angle iron, and then that there was welded to there, and you can tell when it burns real good you got good penetration. So that's how I did them. And then in the front I was stupid and I did hole plugs. They didn't turn out so good, so I'm glad I only did it in the front. And hey, you know, for a cabinet, that's good enough. So now I just got to put a bottom in it. That'll be it. Well, there it is. There it is, all painted up. Now I just got to put the shelf in there for when you open up the doors. There's a shelf there. There's a shelf going to be right here going straight down instead of like it was. You had it on the bottom. I just don't like that lip. You know, you have to put things at an angle and go down. I just don't like that. I don't know. I just figured straight shot going down. That's my plan. Or heck, maybe I'll just leave it like that and call it good. You know, that'll be good enough. I'm a lazy, easy to get along with person. Wherever I put it, I'll probably have to shim it a little bit to get it flat. Good enough. Well, there it is, all done. I got the some chemicals and stuff up on the roof. Let's take a look inside. Over here I've got my chainsaw bar oil, bar oil. I got some Zippo lighter fluid. That one there is an open one for the chainsaw. Over here on this side I got the bar guard for my chainsaw. And, you know, top shelf, I've got some seafoam, starting fluid, window cleaner, WD, seafoam, liquid wrench, carb cleaner, brake cleaner, some oil, engine oil for the lawnmower, some grease, water wetter. I got some more chainsaw stuff, wax paper for wood when I glue wood together to protect the sawhorses. Got some paper towels, got some oil filters, and then I'm just waiting for the bottom down here to dry, and then I can put stuff in. So that's it. It's a good day in the neighborhood.